How's it going, everybody? It's another awesome month. It's July 4th to be exact. Today we just saw a float plane take off. I'll throw that in there in just a minute. Off the Kenai River. He was parked here visiting, and then Alaska. So cool. And here we are for the month of July in Alaska. Last month was May. We were in Disney World? June. We were in Disney World. And then in May, we were in Japan. So we have not been home for home vlog update of the month. Maybe that will change next month in August. Well, this is something you don't see every day. Got an airplane in the river. Just cruise speed. Float plane. That's awesome. We got a float plane taking off from the river. Today is the 4th of July. Happy Independence Day, everybody. Woo! You know what I'm saying? Like today we went fishing. We went halibut fishing. That video will be up soon. There's not a whole lot to the video. I was so into fishing. I record a lot of fishing, but I definitely got GoPro on. So there's going to be some GoPro footage and some camera It's kind of all over the place. It's the first time I've ever been on a boat fishing. Huge fish. I caught like a couple of them, but like they kept either getting off the line, or the one we had at the boat, he went to pick it up, but he didn't grab the tail first, so he dropped it in the water, so it was gone. The dog's playing in the river right now. That's okay. That was okay, because it was an amazing experience. I more went for the experience. I wasn't expecting to pick up any fish, and we got 7 halibut. Hi, puppy. So that was so cool. Updates. Let's see. So we're in Alaska right now until the 6th. And then on the 17th, I fly back to Disney World. Yes, we're going back to Disney World. I say we, that's me and you guys. I'm going by myself. Got to go back and enjoy that new fireworks shows. So the fireworks shows are back at Disney World. I don't know if you guys have been keeping track of Disney World, but the Magic Kingdom and Epcot shows, I've never seen them. I've already booked my spots for those days. I am an annual pass holder to Disney World. That's why we go so much. Montana is coming. It'll probably be in September. Let's bring up September real quick. September, we are going to Great Wolf Lodge. Yes, I've been talking about going back for 2 years, and it's almost been 2 years since we've been there. That's one of our first videos we ever made. One of my most successful videos, actually. And we'll be staying in a kids cabin. Now that I'm hanging out with Tanner, it's actually called the Kids Camp. That's where we're staying, at the Great Wolf Lodge in September. So we're heading to Disney World, us here, you on the camera, on the 17th, night of the 17th, landing 18th morning. We'll be staying at the Riviera in their tower room. The tower room is designed around just 2 people, but I'll be by myself. So I'm really excited to stay there. Room tours are coming. Me and Shelly have changed our plans for August. We are going to Disney World to get my annual pass updated. We're going to Key West. Huge change of plans. We're going to Key West. So we'll be at Disney World for a little bit. We'll still stop by the Character Warehouse and do that because we love shopping there. But then we're heading down to Key West. We're just going to drive to Key West for my birthday. That's what we're doing. Mr. Tanner here wants to go to Disney World with Daddy for V-Bucks.
Stop saying that in the video.
Why?
Because.
I'll do it for money.
Oh.
So that's still a possibility. We're not sure we're going yet, but we're gonna work on it. I don't know. Are you gonna go with me if we go?
I don't know.
So yeah, we're gonna do that. And then let's see what else is new. Everything's starting to open back up. Everything's starting to be more available.
We can go back to quarters.
Yeah, we went back to Quarters Arcade. We didn't bring the camera because we just wanted to enjoy Quarters. Sometimes we won't bring the camera, and that's okay. We went to Dave & Buster's the other day, so we are getting out and doing stuff. We still have 2 more days here in Alaska. Today is the 4th of July, like I said. We've actually got some fireworks over here. Yes, they do have fireworks in Alaska. But it doesn't get dark. It is currently 8:30. Did you just what you said? 8:30? Yeah, he's gonna go look. Either way, it doesn't get dark here. Like the other night, it was midnight. We walked out of Dave & Buster's and it was still light out. So we're not sure how that's gonna work out. We'll do fireworks anyways. We've been throwing firecrackers and we can hear some fireworks off in the background. They're flaying. What time is it?
It's 8:35.
8:35, and it looks like the middle of the day. So, what else is new?
I do not know.
We do not know. That is our new slogan. We do not know. Or I do not know? Is it I do not know?
I think it is.
I do not know. Put that on a shirt. I do not know. What are we doing? I do not know. Man, I don't know. We have so many things going on. It's getting kind of jumbled. I like it. We got camping coming up, I guess, in July.
Really?
With Grandma? Yeah, like the schedule is so crazy. I don't even know where I am half the time anymore. Like we were just 6 months in Japan. We knew we had to go to Japan and we had to do stuff. Now we're here back home in Washington State, kinda, because we're never there. Anything else you want to say to everybody?
No.
Also, if you haven't figured out yet, we're hinting at moving to Florida. It's probably going to happen. We're really looking at it. We're like not just looking at it. Like we've been planning this for a long time, and we probably are going to move to Florida. Look, I got beer. Root beer. It's a joke. I don't drink. Everybody knows that. Well, everybody who knows me knows that I don't drink. Do you drink?
No.
Oh, good. That's good. See that? It's already working. Don't drink. Do you drive?
No.
Yeah, because you don't drink and drive. See? You're just, he's so smart. We got handed a bunch of cookies. I'm going to put this here. And white chocolate chip.
No, white chocolate.
White chocolate chip with chocolate chips in it. Yep. And we're going to eat a bag of cookies. We're going to set off some fireworks. And we're going to enjoy some. I don't know. I do not know. Yeah, see? Right there.
Right there.
So I want to thank everybody for watching the channel. All you who have subscribed. It's crazy how many of you are actually in my channel. I know we're not at 1,000 or 1,000,000 or whatever. The people who are here, you're awesome. The people who are coming in, you're even more awesome. Something like that. I don't know. I'm just excited because the channel's getting bigger. And we are moving to Florida.
Really?
Well, we're moving to Florida. Yeah, it's
Yay.
happening. And we're going on so many adventures and we've been so many places. And I want to give a special shout out to our Patreon members. Our newest one is Sarah. She is our newest Patreon. She has a different name in the titles, but I can't say it. So Sarah, thank you so much. Let's see, Brandon, Rachel, and one more. Come on, Return of the Pokemaster. Wow, I am so sorry, but you guys have been amazing. If you guys are wondering, Patreon link down in the description below. Everything you guys put into that goes right back into the channel for camera gear, trips, everything. And we're just gonna keep putting it in and doing more. Alaska, yeah, this is pretty awesome. July to Disney World is paid for by my members in Patreon. I was able to get really cheap flights. Some parts of it I'm using like my DVC to go, but Patreon members, you are rocking it right now because we are doing more every month. We pretty much have 1 or 2 trips a month every month for the rest of the year. Whew. You guys are just, I'm just so happy you guys are part of all this. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this update. We as the family are enjoying Alaska. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. We are going to wrap this one up. It's the 4th of July. It looks darker. I'm just joking. And my son wants to go light off some fireworks, which we can do. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. Lets me know you enjoyed today's video. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. It's 4th of July, and you're going to want to see more of these crazy adventures we're going on. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.